welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing I don't even know what to call it, a organization of this weird, awkward play on words there, cabinet space. Okay.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me.
This right here is just a bunch of Tupperware that I really don't use. Some placemats, some like dishcloths and such.
Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but never, never, ever, ever seem to be over.
Does anyone else collect so much Tupperware and never use it? Like, it's just never ending. I'm sorry, guys. It'll be done soon, I promise.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
There it is, a little dusty. Don't worry, it got cleaned.
Time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
I put some of those products that I don't use very often over there in the corner where it was hard to reach, and then the main ones back where they were organized.
I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are.
Eventually, I think I am going to get rid of most of this Tupperware because I do use the glass containers. They're in another cabinet, but I use them very frequently. They like keep fruit fresher and all this stuff. I think I'm just hoarding these plastic containers for when my daughter decides she wants to bake cookies, and we can give them to our neighbors and things like that.
Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it light. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us all tonight.
I moved the dishcloth closer to the sink instead of by the stove. I just thought maybe that would be more convenient. And then I moved the measuring cups and such next to the stove. So since I didn't have time to go out and buy some bins for this drawer because I don't exactly know what I want to get, I found this cardboard and I really just taped it in there to see if it would just section off areas, and then I'll end up getting bins for this drawer anyway. So this cabinet, I did not show you the organization for it. I did replace my bins and changed my flour out and my cocoa powder for hot chocolates. And in the back there's sugar, and in the front in that small container is cornstarch. I want to thank you all for watching this video. It isn't the perfect organization, but it is what I had and how I could do it with what I had. So please like this video, comment, give me some tips, ask me questions. Please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. See you soon. Kisses.